Speak up. Practicing days of the week and activities in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're focusing on one of the most fundamental parts of daily conversation: the days of the week and the activities we usually do on these days. This is an essential step in learning English and navigating through your day-to-day life in an English-speaking environment. Before we dive into our speaking exercises, let's quickly review the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Remember, when speaking about days of the week in English, we often preface the day with on, e.g., on Monday, I. Next, let's look at common activities that people often do on these days. For example, on Monday, many people start their work or school week. On Tuesday, people may continue with their regular routines, like work or studies. On Wednesday, some might attend a midweek meeting. On Thursday, others could participate in a sports activity. On Friday, people often wrap up their work week and may start their weekend activities. On Saturday and Sunday, many enjoy leisure activities like watching a movie, reading a book, or spending time with family and friends. Now it's time for our speaking exercises. The best way to learn is by doing, so let's dive in. 1. Practice by describing your routine. Let's start by describing your typical activities for each day of the week. Remember to start your sentences with on, followed by the day of the week. For example, on Monday, I usually go to work early and take a yoga class in the evening. 2. Ask and answer questions about the week. Next, ask a friend or family member about their routine. Use questions like, "What do you usually do on Wednesdays?" Or, "Do you have any plans for this Sunday?" Then, switch roles and answer their questions about your week. 3. Use future tense to discuss upcoming plans. Discuss your plans for the next week. Practice using the future tense. For instance, on Saturday, I will be going to a concert. We hope these speaking exercises help you get more comfortable with discussing days of the week and daily activities in English. Remember, practice is key. The more you use these phrases and structures, the easier they will become. Happy studying, and we'll see you in our next video.